Hi friends, in this video we're going to talk about multiplication. So before we look at some of our bigger numbers, I just want to look at this problem right here. And I have 2 times 4. Now remember, this symbol for multiplication means groups of. So I have 2 groups of 4. So to solve this, I could draw 2 groups or circles, and then I would put 4 dots in each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I would count them all together to get my total number here for multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 groups of 4, or 2 times 4, equals 8. But what if my numbers get bigger? In this example here, I have 22 times 3. And I could draw my circles, but think about it. Do you think that would take you a really long time to solve the problem? Yeah, it would take you a really long time to draw 22 circles and then put 3 dots in each. So instead, we can use our area model. And remember, when I use my area model, I start by drawing my rectangle. And because this is a 2 by 1 multiplication problem, which means it's a double digit multiplied by a 1 digit, I need to draw one line here, like that. And I can take my 2-digit number and decompose it by its place value. So this number is 22. There's a 2 in my tens, which means that's really the number 20 plus 2, 22, times 3. Now I can put this on my area model. So up here I have 20, this line, which tells me plus 2, gives me the total number 22 right here, times the 3 on the side. So my first step is I need to make my t-chart, and I'm going to make the t-chart for my 3's because that's what I'm multiplying by. So times 3, and I draw my dots, and I'm going to make my t-chart all the way down to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 times 3 is 1, 2, 3. 2 times 3 is 4, 5, 6. 3 times 3 is 7, 8, 9. 4 times 3 is 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to go on and continue to fill in my t-chart. Lastly, to get 10 times 3 is 30. So now that that's done, I can start solving my problem. And I have the numbers 20 times 3. So you can think of this like a car. I drive across the street, so bring my 3 over, and I go down the street times 20. But here's a trick. If I cover up my 0, I can look and I can see 3 times 2 equals, luckily I've made my t-chart. Go ahead and find it. 3 times 2 is 6. And I bring my 0 down. 3 times 2, 20, gives me 60. But I'm not done yet. I still have 3 multiplied by 2. We have to bring it all the way over. 3 times 2. And that gives me the number 6. Now, it might look like I'm done, but remember, we decomposed our number right here. We broke it down into place value, which means these are just our partial products. So I need to take my partial products, 60 and 6, and I need to add them, and I get the number 66. 22 multiplied by 3 gives me 66. All right, friends. So your job is going to be to solve two problems using the area model. Your first problem is 12 times 2. And your second problem is 15 times 4. I can't wait to see all your hard work. You guys are amazing. Give yourself a pat on the back and a high five. Once you're done, you can take a picture of it and you can text it, email it, or give your teacher a call so they can see all of the wonderful things you're doing.